Okay, you're back. You want more? Well, I've got it for you. Here we go with a little tune called Don't Worry, Be Happy. Starts in B. You can do it up here or up here. And of course, you don't have to bar all the way across. There's another way to do it. See the high E and B strings? You just bar those two little strings there and bring your middle finger to the fret right after it. So you're just playing three little notes here. Like three little birds, you know? And if you want to add any more layer to that chord, you know, make it a little fuller, a little thicker, you could bring your ring finger to the following fret right after your, so you got, you know, that plays the whole chord, but then you can add that for even more depth or layer. And if you want, you could add even more by putting your ring and pinky here, ring on the A string, pinky on the D string, middle finger, what is that, E, A, D, G string, then your two fingers here on this high B and E. Here's a little song I wrote. You might wanna sing it note for note. So that goes up a whole step to a C sharp minor. Here's a little song I wrote. You might wanna sing it note for note. Don't worry. That's E major. And you know what? If you get that, you've got the whole song. That's it. It's B, C sharp minor, and E major. If I'm not mistaken, that's it. That's the whole song right there. And it's all about the rhythm, the groove. Ha ha. Hey. Here's a little song I wrote. You might wanna sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Every life we have some trouble. When you worry, you make it double. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. Ooh, 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 ooh. So you can, if you can whistle, you know, that's a great spot for whistling. If you got an accompaniment or accompanist, is that what it's called? Accompanist? If you got someone to play with you, whatever instrument it might be, you know, an erhu, a harmonica, a violin, whatever, a saw, you know. La 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 la. This is a fun song. It's meant to be lighthearted, you know, so don't take it too seriously. And I guess traditionally it's got kind of that reggae upstroke, which I'm still trying to learn myself. Very rhythmic elements to this song. You gotta have the right spirit, the right mood, you know, the feelings. Gotta, you know, if it was in Italian or German or whatever on the sheet music, you know, what would expressimo or something? Very expressive, but in a lighthearted and reassuring way. You got no place to lay your head. Somebody came, took your bed. Don't worry. Hey, man, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. And so, you know, you can look up the lyrics. I recommend writing them because of the brain-hand connection, you know. When you write things, it helps you learn them better. So go ahead and write it out a couple of times and practice, practice, practice. I heard a saying, you know, practice doesn't make perfect. I have heard that, and I'm sure you have too. Practice makes perfect. No, perfect practice. Oh, don't do that. Perfect practice makes perfect. Okay? So, whatever that means, I don't know. You know, have fun with it, and remember to like and share and subscribe. I would appreciate that. I do appreciate that. Well, here we go. Landlord said your rent is late. They may have to rent your bed. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, man. Be happy now. Ooh, 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 yeah. Oh. And for anybody who wants to know, I guess that's a major one chord, the minor 2 chord, and then major 4 chord. So 1, if it was like Roman numerals, you know, the big I, two little I's, and then 1V. 1V, yeah. So don't worry, be happy.